not going to hell. It's happening.
Yeah, the worst of times.
The Illustrator in the house.
No, I'm not in the house. That's a good thing.
Oh, right. We should be in the house. What is that? A little beeping?
When I turn, it touches my jacket.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Good. So how you doing, bro?
Bored as fuck.
Oh, that's good to be bored.
Yeah, if that's the least of your worries.
Yeah. Alright, so what are we gonna do? Let's go to Manhattan?
Fuck it.
Right.
Let's go to Midtown, I guess.
You wanna do Times Square?
Huh?
You wanna do Times Square?
Yeah, sure.
I was gonna say, I go to Times Square like every time I go to Manhattan. But we can do it.
Yeah, might as well. I mean, I haven't been there maybe like more than over a month.
Oh, okay. So you went there when it first started?
Yeah, last time I was there was the 15th of March.
Got it. Yeah, I went there last week, I think. Those vlogs do the best.
Huh?
The Manhattan vlogs are the best.
I can barely understand you.
Damn. Yeah, because I'm blasting in the speakers.
Oh, so you hear yourself?
Yeah. And that goes back into the mic.
Let's see if we get going, if you get further away. Maybe because I'm hearing you.
I don't think so. Let's see.
Let's try it.
Alright. So. Because I don't think I was hearing you.
If anything, you could just vlog like normal and I'll just tag along.
No. This needs to be a dual vlog.
Yeah, it's been too long in the making.
Exactly. I think I just have to speak slower and quieter.
You're gonna sound stupid on your video.
Yeah.
Hey everybody.
Hello. Alright, so we'll just pop into Williamsburg Bridge.
Yeah. That bike looks good, man.
Thank you.
Really?
I raised the back a little bit.
Yeah, it looks a little bit more like aggressive.
Right, like a street. Before it was like a cruiser.
Yeah. It really was.
Yeah. Well, the inseam is like 30 inches before.
What do you say?
The inseam was 30 inches.
Oh, so you got a new seat?
No, tie rod.
The tie rod.
Yeah.
You handled that misfire, right?
My bike?
Yeah,
A little bit.
It still misfires?
Oh, no, not before.
Oh.
It does like when I'm on it, like at the top of the RPM sometimes.
Oh, that sucks.
But it's fun.
Yeah, fuck it, dude. I know how it is riding a bike with problems.
You know, overall this bike is solid.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty simple too. So
yeah.
I mean, dude, I got scared because I just recently hit like almost 20,000 miles on this thing, and I'm like, oh boy, valve check is coming up.
Oh, that's your first one?
It's actually at 26,000 miles is the valve check.
Got it. It's a first valve check. Wow.
Yeah.
For me, it's 6,000.
Yeah, that's the first valve check.
Your blinker is on, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Don't be sorry to me.
I'm really bad at that.
You'll get murdered in the comments.
Yo, when I'm riding with 2J, son, he's like, yo, your blinker's on. Next turn, your blinker's on.
Yeah.
I'm fucking dumb. I don't know.
Eventually you start coming up with like creative ways to make fun of the person. You know? Like, are you still turning to the right? Yeah, it's weird. The audio is like blasting in my ears.
Well, maybe you could turn it down.
No, then I can't hear you. Hello?
Yo.
Maybe this is better.
Testing 1 2. Oh, look at that. That shit is
the dog?
Yeah, no, the car. That shit is slammed.
Oh, this right here? Oh yeah, I see this thing all the time. It's pretty fucking dope.
Is it on bags?
I think it's just fucked. Oh, maybe. I gotta turn it up because my bike is loud. Alright. Let's go on the outside. Ah! I don't have that kind of beans. Nice. We're finally out here. Right now you can't understand me? Nice. Well, it's the visuals that count. Over there, it's crazy.
Want to do a 6-gear pull?
Yeah, let's do it. No, there's a speed camera there, bro. That would be reckless of us.
Wow, where are his brakes at?
Yeah, he was gonna blow it. So yeah, I guess it's gonna be like a weird one-way vlog.
Wait, what?
I see, we can't even hear each other. You can't hear me at all, right?
I can hear you. It's just hard to understand.
Yeah, it's probably my Russian accent.
No.
Damn, bro, that's cold.
Yeah, it turns out I'm just racist.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
Yeah.
I thought you were a nice guy. In your videos, you're usually a nice guy.
I thought so too, but you know, 2020, everybody gets called out.
It's the fame. The fame is going to your head, you know? You got a fancy helmet now.
Right. Oh, look at this guy.
Yeah, that guy is awesome. So, let's go to the West Side Highway, all the way to the west side.
Oh, that's a trick.
Yeah. So we're gonna go all the way west.
We're going to the left or no?
No, straight.
Okay.
All the way to the west side. Yeah, who is that? I don't know.
Oh wait, social distancing.
Oh, right.
Right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that Porsche.
Huh?
That's nice. That's dope. Yeah, social distancing. Can't forget.
We have to stay at least a lane apart. So you said he was gonna get a new bike or something, right?
I was, but I don't know. Jesus Christ. No. I still want to. I just don't want to worry about it, you know?
Uh-huh.
I don't want it to get stolen.
Yeah.
And I don't want to, I don't know. I still might. Plus this bike is dope. I love it.
But you would never sell that one.
No. Plus it's worth like $1,000, you know?
Yeah. Well, you probably would get a lot. You live in Williamsburg, so.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta pass this Beamer.
Yeah, it gets pointed out. I was gonna savage him, but
yeah, but he thinks he's a shit.
yeah. Bro.
What the fuck was that?
In front of the cop, too. Alright, let's take a right.
Next right?
Right here, yeah.
Okay. This lady doesn't have a mask on.
Oh shit.
Coño.
Damn. Fail.
Alright, let me get your information.
Yeah. No way, bro. No way, bro. I'm out of here.
Damn, look to the left. That's a sexy reflection.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Now this guy with the Beamer.
well, we making
he's got tow hooks.
We making it right anyway, right?
Yep.
All right. Give it the beans, bro.
We gotta make sure not to get into Kano Tunnel.
The bike sounds good.
Thanks, bro.
I don't know why. I thought it would be louder.
Well, you know. That's what she said.
That's what they all say.
Yeah. Well, I thought yours would be bigger. So.
Bigger, redder, louder.
That's Ducati right there.
What?
Ducati?
Oh yeah. Dude, I was gonna apply there.
Why didn't you?
I was gonna, but all they want, I wanted to be, I don't know what job I was looking for, but the only job they have is like a salesperson.
Got it.
I don't want to sell shit.
Especially not Ducatis. Fuck that.
Yeah, I would have to tell the truth about them.
Yeah. You tell people to buy a Suzuki, right?
Whoa!
That guy don't give a fuck.
Yeah, we shouldn't give a fuck either then.
Yeah. That's all you. I have a couple of points.
Yo, I actually just settled like a bunch of, I had like 5 tickets in one stop.
Oh, right.
So recently,
what happened?
Huh?
What happened?
Oh, it's a long story. I don't even want to get into it, man.
No, but what's the resolution?
Huh?
How did you fix it? What happened?
So basically in the end, I pushed the date pack like 3 times. So it went like 3 years. And so I was like, fuck it, I'll just pay it. So I just paid it, and it came out to be like $1,300.
Wow.
Yeah, it was rough.
Well, could always be worse. How many points?
Huh?
Points?
No points, because it was so long ago.
Got it.
Yeah, I waited so long. It's like, I mean, nobody can see the points except a cop. So if a cop pulls me over, he'll see it for the next 4 years.
Right.
But insurance, it doesn't affect insurance because it was so long ago.
Yeah, same with me. Except I have 7 points.
Damn.
Ouch. Because remember I did that speeding?
Oh
where
yeah,
I got
in the tunnel.
11 points?
Yeah, in the tunnel, right?
93 and 25. Oops.
That's some savage shit.
Yeah. Baby Ducati, you know? Not even a real bike.
If you were on a Harley, they would let you go.
Exactly.
Why are we going so slow?
Because I don't know. Because it's 25. Speed limit. We're next to a cop, you know? We're good boys.
Yo, it's a lot more people out here than I thought there would be.
Exactly, right?
Yeah. I thought there would be no foot traffic.
I wonder how Times Square will be. You should get in front of me so I can get you on camera.
Sure.
There he is.
Check out my thunder thighs.
Thunder thighs.
What's this guy doing? Also, check out my finger.
Hell yeah. Oh, damn. My other gloves I have at home. These are nice. These are too warm, though.
Dude, those are new, right?
Yeah.
Nice. You know,
Love it.
just yesterday when I did my laundry, I don't know if you seen that story I posted.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was a bitch.
Yeah, that sucked. And you know what else made it suck? I lost a glove.
Oh, no.
I realized this morning when I was getting ready to go out, I was like, where the fuck is my other glove? I was folding my clothes. I only had one glove. I checked the car, I checked the hallway. I was like, it's gone. Fuck it.
Damn.
So that's why I have these.
That's my biggest fear, too. I always double check the gloves.
Uh-huh.
Because you can lose it, you know?
Yeah.
I left my gloves on my bike overnight. Just like on the tank.
Uh-huh.
And they were still there.
Dude, I'll do you one better. I left my keys in my bike.
Oh, yeah. Right.
I haven't been on the bikes in about a week. And I left the keys in the bike outside of my house.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And it was just there.
Well, it's under the cover, so.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Look at all the cops everywhere, right?
Huh?
Fucking po everywhere.
Yeah. Look at this guy.
Oh, yeah. Strong. This is incredible. This is amazing.
Yeah, I know.
The emptiness on a Sunday? No way.
Nothing wrong with a Sunday cruise.
No. Especially like this.
Yeah. Seeing your bike makes me want to finish my BMW already.
Oh, it's not finished yet?
It's like it's finished with an asterisk because remember I still got to take this shit out.
Right.
I got to take this shit out and then take it apart, put it back together, shake it down.
Right.
So like I just don't know when I'm gonna do that because there's no point. There's no point right now.
Well, you might as well get it ready now.
Yeah.
Not when it's nice and all this is over.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, let's take a left.
Okay. Oh, we could have cut that Porsche.
We still can.
Okay.
Just watch out for bicyclists. That would have been bad. This bike just feels so good. I'm so used to it. Whoa. You are going to hell. Alright, we're taking a left here.
I didn't do that on purpose.
Left.
Left?
Yep.
Okay.
Because that's Times Square right there.